How to cancel Showmax subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process on cancelling your Showmax subscription. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1. Log in to your account. Open your web browser or the Showmax app and go to the Showmax website and log in with a username and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen from the drop-down menu and select My Account or Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Manage Subscription. In the Account section, look for Manage Subscription or Subscription Details. Click on this option to view your subscription status. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Scroll down to find the Cancel Subscription button and click on it to start the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm your cancellation. Showmax will prompt you to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to fill out a short survey about why you are cancelling. Complete it or you can just skip it, and once you're done with that, click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the process. And at last, step 6. Check for the confirmation. After cancelling, you will receive a confirmation email from Showmax. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. And that's how you can cancel your Showmax subscription in just few steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.